Hey guys, welcome to Unit 9, Sequences and Series. This video will cover page 3, number 15 through 22. Okay? On 15, it says, determine if it is geometric. If it is, find the common ratio, which is your R, and the eighth term. So let's take a look. For it to be geometric, you are going to either multiply or divide. So it has something to be exponential, whereas arithmetic is linear. Geometric is exponential. So let's take a look. First of all, to find your R, you can take 5 divided by 3. Take your second divided by the first. Okay? Comes out to be 5/3. Take a look at your second one. 8 over 5. Are these exactly the same at all? Nope. How about 12 over 8, which is the same thing as 3 over 2? Do you see how these are all different? Then this one right here is not geometric. Okay? Number 16. Let's find our R rate first. 18 divided by negative 3 gives you negative 6. Second one, negative 108 divided by 18. Hang on just a moment. Let me type that in because I do not know that one. Oh, I typed it in wrong. Might want to type it in right. Okay, that gives you negative 6 also. How about 648 divided by negative 108? Okay. Notice all their ratios are the same. So R is equal to negative 6. Let's go ahead and find our eighth term. To find our eighth term, you have to use the explicit formula, which is x of n equals x1 times r n minus 1. Okay? See how that's in exponential position? So to find that, you would say x of 8 equals what's your first term? Negative 3 times your rate, which is negative 6. All of that raised to 8 minus 1. So what is the eighth term going to be? Negative 3 parentheses, negative 8. Oops, 6 raised to the 7. Comes out to be, if I add it all together, 839,808. So you are increasing exponentially. Okay? All right. Let's go to number 17. Please read the direction. I cannot stress you enough. Make sure you answer all the questions. It says, determine if it's geometric. If it is, find the common ratio, the explicit formula, and the 3 terms in the sequence. Okay, so 3 things you have to do. All right, let's find our R first. 15 divided by 3 leaves you 5. 75 divided by 15 leaves you 5. 375 divided by 15 leaves you 5. So R, big or little, doesn't matter, is equal to 5. There's my common ratio. Okay? Now I got to find my explicit. This is your first term. So your explicit is x of n is equal to your first term, which is 3, times your R, n minus 1. So this here is your explicit. All right? Now you are to find the next 3 terms in the sequence after the last one. So you're going to take 375 times 5, which gives you 1875. Times it by 5, so you get 9375. Times it by 5, so you get 46,875. Please don't put a comma in there, because if you put a comma, you can't tell which one goes where, really. Okay? So just kind of write it out as this series. 18. Okay, let's find our R. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. Second one. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. Third. 64 divided by negative 16 is negative 4. So your R value is negative 4. Okay? Let's find our explicit formula. So, first term, negative 1 times your R, negative 4, n minus 1. That is your explicit. All right, let's find the next 3 terms. Let's see. We're going to multiply times 4. 64 times negative 4 is negative 256 times negative 4. 1024 times negative 4 negative 4,096. And there's my next three terms. So I found my ratio, I found my explicit formula, and then there's the next three. Okay. Let me go ahead and put a box around it. Alright, number 19. It says, determine if it's geometric. If it is, find the common ratio, the explicit formula, and this time we're going to find the recursive as well. Alright, let's go ahead and find our R first. Negative 6 over 3 is negative 2. 12 divided by negative 6 is negative 2. Negative 24 divided by 12 is negative 2. So your R is equal to negative 2. Okay? This is your first term. So we can find our explicit formula. Alright, so here we go. X of n equals your first term, which is 3 times your R n minus 1. There's your explicit. Okay. Recursive is x of n equals, okay. You take your R. What is your R? Negative 2 x n minus 1, which is your previous term. Alright, in case you forgot, the formula for this, for the recursive, is x of n equals R times your x n minus 1. Okay, for your explicit, I forgot to give you guys the formula, just in case you forget. It is x of n equals your first term times your R n minus 1. There you go. Alright, number 20. Let's go see if it is geometric. So, you can kind of look how you're multiplying times 5 every time. Okay, so R is equal to 5. If you can tell, you don't have to do all that work. Okay, your explicit, x of n equals your first term, 1 times your R, n minus 1. Okay, let's find our recursive. Your recursive is x of n equals R, what's your R? 5 times x, n minus 1. And there's your recursive. Number 21. Given the explicit formula, find the first 5 terms and the 8th terms. Alright, to find the first 5 terms, first one starts with a 4. And I'm going to multiply times negative 4, which is negative 16. So negative 6 times negative 4 is 64, first 5 term, times negative 4, negative 256, times negative 4, 1024. This is your D, not D, my apologies. This is geometric. Okay, this is your R, and this is your first term. So there you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I found my first 5 terms, and I'm also supposed to find the 8th terms. Well, what you can do is you can keep multiplying until you get an 8, or you can use this formula right here. Okay? So x of 8 is equal to your first term. What's your first term? 4 times your R. What is your R? Negative 4. 8 minus 1. So I just kind of plug that back in. 4 parentheses, negative 4 raised to the 7. Comes out to be negative 65,536. Is your 8th term. 22. Okay, same thing. Here's your x of 1. Here's your R. Alright. So the first term is 2. 2 times 2 divided by 5 comes out to be, let's do fractions, 4/5 times 0.4, oops, 4 divided by 5, times, comes out to be 8 over 25, times 2/5, (16 over 125) times 2/5 equals 32 over 625. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. Okay, so there's your first 5 terms. Explicit formula? Nope, we're just looking at the 8th term. So for the eighth term, I'm going to have 2 times 2 over 5, 8 minus 1. 2 parentheses, 2 divided by 5, raised to the 7. Comes out to be 0.003278. And there you have number 22. Okay? By the way, this comes out to be 256,78125. Let me check my math. Well, mine doesn't convert to a fraction, but there you have it. Okay? Good luck.